ऊपर चला जा रहा है, हेड निकल जा रहा है, हेड जा रहा है ऊपर, तो ऐसे 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 छोड़। ठीक है। Very good morning and namaste everyone. Today we'll be talking about nature and side mind. Well, we look into the nature and nature looks so beautiful and serene and we get into it. Well, it's all because it has an attraction. It asks us to come near to me. It is more welcoming. And once we are not welcoming, we feel sad, we feel unnatural, and we move away from our best states. We have to be just like very welcoming to everything, whatever is coming our way. And if you try to make yourself into a well-being state where you become natural, welcome to everything, whatever is coming your way, that can change your life. And we all need serenity within us, the beauty within us, and a peaceful and holistic atmosphere within us. Because once you are close to the nature of your own nature, then you can find similar atmosphere or sometimes more beautiful than this. Important is that we have to start entering into that. We have to open the doors. We have to open windows where we can feel the happiness, joy, and bliss within us. As you will be able to see that the cosmos is looking little more near to you. Similarly, you are also very near to the cosmos. The cosmic connections are always with you. They're always falling on you. You don't have to try to do anything extra, but be natural, be calm, be peaceful, and you will be able to experience everything within you. Try, be close to yourself. And how you can be close to yourself? Simply close your eyes, press your nostrils, and you will be having a great sense of well-being within you. Sit in a comfortable posture and you will see that the whole energy of the cosmos is entering into you, or you are entering into the cosmos. It is both way. This cosmos is looking more beautiful, or this nature is looking more beautiful because you are there. So it's not you are looking at the nature, nature is also looking at you. Try to do this simple method once in the morning and once in the evening, and you will have a great feeling of well-being and all your thoughts will be calm. Thank you. Namaste. Till we meet next time.